Hi everyone, my name is Ziad Sabri and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, I'll be posting or sharing things from my life and it will be just a bunch of random videos about my life. And nowadays I've been enjoying solving NeetCode problems and I would like to share it with you guys and walk you through the questions that I solve and solutions. So let's get started. For this video, I would like to start with first NeetCode problem, which is contain duplicate. Basically, is you have an integer array called nums. You return true if the value appears more than once. So in this one, one, two, three, three. You return true because three is a duplicate. One, two, three, four. There is no duplicate, so you return false. So when it comes to this type of questions, uh, an easy solution for it is use a for loop, right? You compare the first index, the value of the first index with the rest of the array, then you go to the second index and compare the rest of the array. However, this is not optimal. It takes a lot of time, right? The best solution for this one is using here this bag. Let's say use a bag, okay? Let's say you have this array. You have the first array, okay? One, two, three, three, right? So you take this index, sorry, you take this value, put it in this bag, okay? And you do a comparison. Is one in this bag? No. So you enter it, okay? Then you go to the second value. Is there a two in this bag? No. So you put it in. Is there a three in this bag? No. So you put it back in the bag. Is there is another three in the bag? Ding, ding, ding. Yes, there is, right? So you return true, right? But if it was this array, one, there is none, two, there's none, three, there's none, four, there's none. So you return false, false, right? So what is this bag called? In coding or in Python, or yeah, in coding in general, it's called a hash set. Okay, we can use a hash set, and here I'm gonna demonstrate and how to apply this hash set in Python. So let's get started. Okay, so we're here, right? How to declare a hash set in Python? You first name it. Let's say I will just name it hash set, okay? Or here hash set one. And then you do like this. You call it a set. So it's a set, okay? So we declare the hash set. Now what we need to do is go through the array, the num array. So in order to go through it, we make a for loop for I in nums. Nums is the array name, right? And then you do uh, you do the comparison. So if I in hash set, okay, you return true. You return true. If not, you add it. So the way you add it is you do have the hash set name, right? The add, and then you put the value I. And so right now what happens in here, it goes to let's take this area as an example. It goes for I in nums. When we say for I in nums, what exactly it does is it takes this one, okay, and assigns it to I. Okay, I nums. Okay, so you go to the first one, I. So I here becomes a one. Is one in the hash set? No. Then so it goes down here, it adds the I to that basket, which is the set, right? It's two in the hash set, same thing, right? Until it finds a match, okay? Type, let's say it didn't find a match, you go here and you return false. Okay, let's make sure everything's all right. Yeah, it's perfect. Just run it. Oh no. For I in, okay, I didn't write the right name. Okay, perfect. So yeah, so yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you answer the first question in NeetCode, contain duplicate. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you another time. Bye bye.